Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Suriya Chayachareon from Faculty of Fine and Applied Art, Bangkok Thonburi University, Bangkok, Thailand. Today I would like to present my painting creative of abstract painting series poems from the field. The creation of abstract painting is poem from the field series aim to study the theory and practice of abstract painting that relates words and image with visual elements to a framework of creative and innovative analysis. The conceptual framework for creativity is based on the study and analysis of data, inspiration, and concepts, then leads to composition to create a painting that has a subjective denotation and connotation meaning. I also inspired by nature, observing phenomena that change by using grassland and the primary field of information. The idea is concept. The movement of the solving metal is writing poetry with rhythm and aesthetic. But painting is a poem that is not a word, because it is a poem of reconstruction image. I feel that nature is alive and moving. It's not different from a poem that has its own melody. Starting at the middle is poet mood in my imagination. I have a systematic creative process divided into three parts. And first, pre-production. I review literature. To production is a process of production. Three, I public and exhibition. There are three phases of my paintings work. Painting in 2018 to 2019. This work is complete abstract connotations of peace and movement, forest and stream falling from high mountains. This is a crayon on paper. This work is complete abstract connotation of peace and movement, meadow and streams. Both works are based on technique crayon on paper, which is a study of natural phenomena as a model. Painting in 2020, I began to develop from the concrete nature to the more abstract, with the technique of acrylic on canvas, acrylic and pencil on paper. This work is like a nightmare on a meadow in a dark night. This work is from the mountain with the wind. This work is reflection from the stream on glass at the end of the rainy season. Three work to online exhibition in positive energy art. Painting in year 2020 to 2021, I create painting as an abstract work with the technique of acrylic on canvas. I use the line and weight of the color as highlight to express the rhythm and composition of picture to create a clearly unity. This work is the series of the poem Song on the Night Meadow. This is the Thailand Art and Design exhibition in Bangkok. This work is grassland in the night of yesterday. This work is when the sun is dark, the moon becomes dark and full of lonely truth of the middle on a day when fog unfolds. At last, This work is poetry of the fields. The paintings in this period have been synthesis from all creation and then reassembled then into abstract painting, expressing their own feeling about phenomenon of grassland, interpreted as poetic rhythms. Summary. In summary, all my works are the process of studying, analyzing, and synthesizing from data, knowledge, theory, and practice, leading to creation of unique abstract painting. I feel connected to natural phenomena that are different about able to coexist because the difference in the natural phenomena is unity in mind itself. I think that I write poetry through painting and distribute exhibitions to public so that I can interpret from the image and gain access to essence of my contemporary abstract painting. I would like to end this presentation. Thank you very much. ขอบคุณครับ
Thank you, Dr. Suriya.